Let's take a look at Blue Canoe's lessons. Now, when you go to your home screen, you're always going to see today's plan, and that plan almost always includes some kind of a lesson. So you might find it from this button, or you can always find all of the lessons down here, and you can scroll to the right, as mentioned before. I might choose social conversations, and let's go ahead and choose socializing just for fun. Okay. Notice that you now have a sentence in front of you. Remember the three ways that we can practice with any audio model. The first is to listen to it and use your hand at the same time. Ready?
Do you have any plans for lunch? Do you have any plans for lunch?
So as soon as you've done that and you feel comfortable with the rate, then you can speak with it. Ready?
Do you have any plans for lunch?
Do you have any plans for lunch? This is especially important if it sounds like really fast speech for you. So practicing with it will help you match the speed. You can listen again and then repeat.
Do you have any plans for lunch?
Do you have any plans for lunch? Notice that the three most important words in the sentence are highlighted with color vowels. You can listen to each word that's important.
Black cat have. Black cat plans a cup of mustard lunch.
We can listen again.
Do you have any plans for lunch?
Okay. And when you're ready, go ahead and record. Do you have any plans for lunch? And I got 100%. When I look at this sentence, again, I can start by listening to it, and then I can go through each of the words or vice versa.
Some of us are going to the movies.
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 A cup of mustard, some.
A cup of mustard, some.
Rose boat going.
Rose boat going.
Blue moon movies.
Blue moon movies. Now I feel like I have all the parts down. I can practice one more time.
Some of us are going to the movies.
Some of us are going to the movies. So now let's try a sentence and look at the feedback we receive. Did you do anything fun last weekend? Now, as you can see here, I received some feedback. The percentage is less than 100%, and I have a highlighted word right here under fun with a color vowel indicator. When I touch this, you'll see additional information.
This is a cup of mustard. Word.
In this case, I was using blue moon to say foon instead of fun. And I can listen to the feedback this way too.
A cup of mustard, fun.
Also, I can scroll down to look at these words and listen to them. And I'll use the same three practice strategies that I've used before. Watch.
Because, company, just, country, what?
Because, company, just, country, what?
Because, company, just, country, what?
Because, company, just, country, what? So these are all mustard words with different spelling patterns. Then I can listen to myself.
Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Notice my mistake, listen to the model.
Did you do anything fun last weekend?
And then I can record one more time. Did you do anything fun last weekend? And I improved. At the end of your 6 sentences, you'll receive 2 things. You heard my notification that I'm halfway to my daily goal, and I also got a bit of celebration for completing my 6 sentences. So that's just a bit about lessons. Enjoy practicing, and I'll see you again soon.